Hello guys and welcome to another trains video. Today we're going to have a video on Botany Bay level crossing. Right, bear with. This will be the 1434 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. Well, that one's nearest anyway. It's about to approach Ramskill Loop. Yeah, we're going to be staying on that, followed by London York. Closing in. 2 signals away. Yeah, we're staying because there's a thing approaching. Here we are. Freight train. I knew it was. I knew it was coming, but I didn't know it was that. We're staying for it. We're staying anyway because it's Grand Central approaching. Followed by Ellen. Followed by that was that. Ferry Hill sidings. Right, your next train is the 1438 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. Followed by a freight train. There's another freight train approaching. 4L18. And we are staying because they've got LNER approaching as well. Right, your Grand Central's just past Sutton and Babworth. So I should start seeing him shortly. And we're going to be staying again because we've got LNER approaching. We're also going to be staying down for the 1452 London North Eastern Railway service from York to London King's Cross. Here we are. I don't know. No, 180 to 118, I think. Next is the 1451 London North Eastern Railway service from York to London King's Cross. 2.5 hours away. Just passing round Skill. Just past round Skill. I've got 1 November 85 approaching as well. London King's Cross to York. Not too far away. Barry's been down at this point for 6 minutes. Should be up after this one's gone. No one else in the area for a bit now. Here we are, York to London. .801.206 for London King's Cross. That should be it. I'm staying again for some reason, I don't know why. Next is the 1448 Freightliner service from Ferry Hill South Junction to Winnington Downsidings, which is just past Randskill. I think, well, that's the closest one anyway. At this rate, we're going to be staying again from London King's Cross to York. The thing is with freights, it takes forever. What? Was freight trains. No sign of him just yet. 6U34 was staying for apparently. Okay then. No, we're staying here because there's another one. What? Yes. Don't rush me. Stay here as long as you can. You've got 1 November 85 just past Grove Road. Should be approaching past Torworth. That's definitely train we're waiting for now. Here we are, I hear him. I think anyway. I mean, I would go to the next crossing, but I need to get a successive closure at least. Look at the state of that. Wow. Right, up then. Thank you. Right. Thanks everybody, I'll see you next time. $14.56 for the 1504 LNER as the rumor from Harrogate to London King's Cross. Got one D16 up, just about to approach Grove Road, but I'm not staying for that. I might as well just get it at Nixton. Just passing around school now. Just pass around school. Well, what I'm going to do after this train's gone is I'm going to wait a few minutes. So that 1D16 has passed Grove Road. Whether there's a stopper in Retford station or not, I don't quite know. Here we are. How they get to London? Seems to be going a bit quicker as well. As that last one were crawling. Oh, he is going a little bit quicker. Not much though. For London King's Cross. I think we're staying. Don't know quite know what for. Right, let me have a look. Right, the next train is the 1508 LNER Zuma from London King's Cross to Harrogate. We're just double passing down that way. We're just double passing down that way. So it should show his appear any minute now if I double passing. Yeah. 1 Delta, 16. Here we are. Something's happened, hasn't it? For him to be crawling, it's going a bit quicker. 800-201 for Harrogate. Right, thanks everybody, I'll see you next time.